folks. We're on the Novabus Classic. It's one of the last few classic CT transits operating right now on the 11, 41, and 43 lines. We're supposed to be getting those new Novabus articulates, LFSAs, supposed to be coming in sometime by March, maybe April for what last scoop I got. So just giving a little engine sound test. I don't usually do this very often. So if anybody who are MCI/Novabus Classic fans, this is a little something for you. Got a little ride here on an 11. This is bus number 9637. Try to take note of the turbo, and also try to take note. This bus does a little bucking, so yeah, here we go. We're waiting at a green, well, red light right now, waiting for it to turn green. So here we go. At this point, the Q11 is not really barely picking up anybody, so this is just go straight through to Stanford. So this is the best point to record that sound. We barely do any stopping. We're just kind of breezing through Route 1 right now, Putnam into Post Road. So this is the best time to listen. So we're at another red light once again. Bus number 9637, 1996 to 1997 MCI Novabus Classics. Dying breed out here in Connecticut Transit. Again, we got the LFSAs coming in next month. The last of the high floors. Trying to give you a general idea how fast this shit goes. I'm telling you, they don't build buses like this anymore. Nice air release for the brakes. One thing about this particular model, it's known for a lot of bucking. So yeah, if you like those buses that buck a lot with the transmission, definitely ride one of these Nova Classics. There's fellow passengers coming on. Don't worry, they won't bite you. Focus on the bus here, not the passengers. Warp speed, folks. Warp speed. And just listen to this bitch purr. I'm telling you, the engine behind here, just sick. Anybody that's well equipped with bus knowledge, take a guess at what engine and transmission we're using with the comments below. If you think you know this engine and you think you know this transmission made it to the engine, again, comment below. Again, 9637 Connecticut Transit Novabus / MCI Classic. Note, this is not the Suburban version, just a note. It's got a rear door, front door, standard blue hard seats. Seems to have been around since about 96, 97. Alright, so I'm going to wrap this video up. Hope you guys enjoy it. Again, I don't do this very often, but you know, I hear a lot of rave about this bus. And I got to admit, compared to our other new flyers, this is probably one of the best buses Connecticut Transit of Stamford have right now. And unfortunately, they're going to be gone by next month, as we're now getting deliveries of the 60-foot Arctics that's going to be running on this line due to high demand of the line, passengers and whatnot. So, yeah, so might as well enjoy this 40-footer while it's here. And again, I urge all bus fans, transit fans that like to come and take a ride on one of these last Novabus Classics. If you're a Novabus fan, a high floor fan, diesel fan, whatever you're fan, basis, make sure you take a ride on one of these buses. Alright, soap out.